Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Carol Mo here and I do makeup tutorials. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to properly install your eyelashes, your false eyelashes. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. What you'll need is of course your eyelashes. Now these eyelashes, I got them from Du Bois Road. They are not the original eyelashes, but they'll do the work. Yeah. Need is a pair of scissors, a spoolie, your eyelash glue, tweezers, and a small mirror. The first thing that you want to do is of course take the eyelash out of the box. These are the pair of eyelashes that I'm gonna be using. So you remove that eyelash from the box, from this plastic thingy, and then after removing your eyelash from that plastic thing, you just have to remove this glue residue that was used to stick the eyelash on that plastic storage thing. So you just remove it gently, not to ruin your lashes. So after you're done, you want to measure your eyelash with your eye, because you don't want to install a lash that is kind of longer than your normal eye, not than your normal eye, than your eye. Yeah. So taking my small mirror, and what you want to do is look down on the mirror like this, and you want to measure that. Ooh, sorry. And you want to measure that eyelash from the end to the start, just to see if it fits your eye. But you have to keep in mind that you don't, okay, let me come closer, that you should not start your eyelash too close to your inner part of the eye. So you have to start your eyelash like somewhere there. Yeah. And then measure it all the way. So as you can see, my eyelash is a bit longer. So what I'm going to do is cut it up with my scissors. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab my glue. So in this case, I'm using the dual white adhesive glue. And what you wanna do is put a very thin strip of that glue. Don't be too generous, just a thin strip of that glue. Just a thin strip of glue. And then you have to wait for your glue to become a little bit tacky. Now tacky is like that sticky, just a bit sticky in such a way that when you put it on your eye, it's not gonna move while trying to install it. So, and meanwhile also as it dries, you have to blow on it so that we can fasten the drying process. So taking my smaller mirror and installing my lash, just looking down on the mirror. Let me come a little bit closer. And what you want to do is place your eyelash as closest as closest to your natural lash as possible. And as you install, I advise that the first point that you want to put your lash is from the middle, as now you lay it down from to the sides. You get, as in, just place it at the middle and then lay it down on the sides. And then after doing so, you want to press your natural eyelash with your false eyelash so that they can blend in. Together. You see guys, I have not put my eyelash too close to the eye, because if you do that, your your eye will get a little bit poked, and we don't want that. So yeah. And at this point, if you need a mascara, if you're doing your full makeup, you can put on your mascara just to blend out. If installing your eyelashes with your fingers is not easier for you, you will have to use your tweezers for that, just to hold on. Let me show you. You hold your eyelash from the middle, as so, just close to the middle, like so. And then put on your strip of glue, and then look down on your mirror and then install it. That way you'll be able to achieve your lash installation without much struggling. While removing your lashes, uh you want to remove your lash from the outer side of the eye to the inner side of the eye, and you just want to pull it very gently so as not to cause pain on your eye, just in case one of your natural eyelash got stuck on the glue. You just want to pull it out gently. So if you are not able to pull it out gently, you can put on some micellar water on a cotton bud, and just press the micellar water on top of your eyelash. This will be able to soften up the glue, and then it will be much easier to pull it out that way. So as for me, I just pull it out and so, just gently as possible, like that. Removed your eyelash. As you can see, it has a lot of glue residue. So what you want to do is remove that strip of glue, in case you are reusing your eyelash. Remove that strip of glue and then store your eyelash. That's just it. You see, store back your eyelash that way. That way. If you have chunky eyelashes, it will be better if you purchase an eyelash color. As at the moment I don't have mine, I'll insert a picture of an eyelash color on the screen. And in Dubois Road, it's like 200 bob, I'm not sure though. But it's important that you buy an eyelash color, so that you first curl your eyelashes before installing your lash, so that they can be in sync, so that all your natural eyelashes can be in sync first, and then install your eyelashes just close to your natural eyelash. And this, one thing you must know is you have to invest in a good glue. Now a good glue will is of course expensive. This is the duo eyelash glue, and it goes for about 900 Kenya shillings. And yeah, that's a lot for something this small, but trust me, it is very worth it. So what you'll do when you buy this eyelash glue, just use a little bit of it and it goes a long way. I purchased it last year March, if I'm not wrong, and I use it on clients, I use it on myself, and I still have it. So it's expensive, but it's worth it at the long run. On some eyeliner on your eye, like where you normally put your eyeliner, and then place your eyelash. This way, even if there's a space between your natural eyelash with your false eyelash, it won't be so conspicuous to. But one thing that I wouldn't advise, don't buy extremely cheap eyelashes. So for example, I have eyelashes here that are very cheap, yeah, and these eyelashes do not look very flattery. They're just weird looking eyelashes. And with these eyelashes were 50 shillings. And yeah, 50 shillings is just too cheap for good eyelashes. And these eyelashes that I'm from showing you, these eyelashes are just 150 shillings. You just add 100 bob and you get good quality lashes, and this, you guys, will last you a great deal. Yeah, so long as you are storing them well, they will go. So guys, that is all for eyelash installations, and I hope from seeing this video you won't have problems with installing your eyelashes. So until next time, kwaheri.